I am Rainian, and today I will teach you how to bike.
Oh, so first step is, what is the first step?
Balancing, okay?
Oh, sige.
So here's the thing. I know how to bicycle, how to
ride.
I'm just being like I forgot it because for content. For content, okay?
Okay, balancing. Oh, sige, tulak kita. Huwag ka munang mag-pedal. Yan. Oh, balance. Yan. Oh, yan ang first step. Oh, second step. Isasampa mo yung ano dyan. Second step is
put your right again.
Oh, again.
Put your
right foot. Right foot.
Put your right foot.
Oh, and then balance. Yan.
Okay,
again.
That's what I was saying. Put your right. Sorry, guys.
Sige, it's okay. Okay.
Put your right foot. And your left foot. Do this.
Yeah. And then, if you know how to balance already, what's the next step?
Left foot and
balance. What is the final step?
final step is pedaling.
Oh, what is the name of your bike?
Which is TRIN.
Oh, how do you read that one?
Trinks.
Trinks. Oh, so this is a second hand.
Second hand.
Yeah. Okay. So let's do it.
This is a mountain bike.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, yo.
Okay.
This is the final.
This is the
Final approach. Go. Oh, final step. Oh, pedal.
Pedaling.
Oh, pedaling. Go. Oh, turn. Turn. Oy, sige, go. Continue. And then, punta ka sa akin. Sige, continue. Oh, and then, use the brake. Oh.
Reminder, if you want to brake, don't use this because it will nearly throw you out of the bike. Instead, use both of them.
Okay.
But please, be smoothly because this brakes is so strong that it almost throw me out of the bike.
Congratulations, you know already how to ride a bike.
Good job. And also, don't forget.
Can you give a tip to the aspirant?
Aspiring?
Yeah, aspiring biker out there.
Okay.
Anong sasabihin mo? Anong may bibigay mong tip?
Okay, there's one little boy that he always get bullied because he doesn't know how to bike with his friends. So his mom and dad is so sad and decided to buy a bike for him. At first, he is very hard and it's hard for him to balance. But in only an hour, he already knew how to balance like me.
Yeah.
And that person is
me. Oh, congratulations.
Anyway,
you did it well.
Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Make sure to click that subscribe button and tap the bell. And if you want to
follow Ansing TV, subscribe Ansing TV,
which is my father's YouTube channel. This is our big dream, which is becoming a YouTuber.
Okay.
And I'll see you guys in the next video. Mr. Rainy out.
Oh.